Is justice truly blind, or does it peek from beneath its blindfold to see who stands before it? This question captures the essence of critical legal studies, a school of thought that sees law not as a bastion of neutrality, but as a battlefield where power and privilege are constantly at play. Born in the shadows of the late 20th century, critical legal studies, or CLS, emerged as a fiery critique against the conventional views of law. Inspired by the robust frameworks of critical theory and Marxism, CLS scholars began to argue that law is far from impartial. It is instead a mechanism often manipulated by those in power to maintain and legitimize their dominance. At the heart of CLS lies the conviction that legal doctrines are not pillars of reason and justice, but reflections of societal biases and power dynamics. These scholars peel back the layers of legal language and practices to reveal underlying prejudices and inequalities. They challenge us to question, whose interests does the law truly serve? The methodologies of CLS are as diverse as they are radical. Some scholars dissect legal texts, revealing how rhetoric shapes perceptions of justice and legality. Others delve into the economic underpinnings of legal systems, exposing how capitalist interests skew legal outcomes. Feminist and critical race theorists within CLS explore how gender and race intersect with legal processes, spotlighting systemic discrimination and advocating for substantive equality. Yet, the journey of CLS is not without its skeptics. Critics argue that while CLS is adept at deconstruction, it often falls short in constructing viable legal alternatives. They accuse it of being overly deterministic, viewing law merely as a tool of oppression and neglecting its potential as a force for good. Despite these critiques, the influence of critical legal studies continues to resonate within legal circles and beyond. It serves as a powerful reminder that law is not a static set of rules, but a living, breathing organism that evolves with society. By challenging the status quo, CLS has not only transformed legal theory but has also fueled movements for social justice, urging us to reimagine what law can and should be in a fair society. As we reflect on the transformative impact of critical legal studies, we recognize its enduring relevance. It compels us to confront uncomfortable truths about law and justice and inspires us to envision a legal system that truly upholds the ideals of equity and fairness for all. In this ongoing dialogue between tradition and critique, CLS remains a vital voice, reminding us that in the quest for justice, complacency is not an option.